Today we are going to prepare soft ice cream. You don't need a lot of ingredients. All you need is 1 litre of water, 200 grams of skimmed milk powder, 220 grams of sugar, and 5 to 7 grams of algae powder, which helps the ice cream to stabilize. This powder is usually used to help the ice cream to stabilize, and it's gluten-free, it's halal, it's kosher, and it's vegetarian as well, suitable for vegetarians. Yep. So now, as you just seen, we've mixed all the ingredients together, so it is ready to go into the ice cream machine. To even get better results, you could put it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours to age, because this will improve the quality of the ice cream. For more information or ice cream making tips, look under the video below in the description.